Hey y'all, Mickey Smith here, the Practical Minimalist. So today I'm taking you along on a grocery shopping day. I'm at Costco. I don't care where you go, the prices are just astronomical for all things related to food. I want to walk you through what I do once I get home with my groceries and I start my stowaway process. So I do this whether I go shopping myself or whether I have those groceries delivered to my home. So the motto for me is a place for everything and everything in its place. So you'll see me here. I'm starting to transfer items, and this is tip one, from packaging that's in the grocery store to my own containers. My containers are customized to my kitchen and just for me. So it makes my life easier. And if I can't fit my groceries into my containers, my pantry, or my freezer, then it means I don't need it because it's just going to be overflow, which is extra clutter and extra costs. Second tip, and it probably should have been the first. As soon as I walk through the door, I am listening to jams. I get my girlfriend Alexa to play me the music that gets me pumped so that I can enjoy this process. Third tip, you can see what I'm doing here. I buy my meat in bulk, but when I get home, I portion them out to little meal sizes. And in addition to that, I put the dates on them so that when I store them in the deep freezer, I can pull them out for meal prep in this way, first in, first out. That way I can ensure that I am not wasting any of my meat because it's spoiling because it's been there too long. So those are really my three main tips. Enjoy the process, and for me that means music. Make sure you're not buying more than you need, right? I'm using my own containers, has to fit into the pantry and into the freezer. And then with meats and items that you buy in bulk, package them up so that they suit your lifestyle and it makes it easier when you're ready to use them. So I hope there's something here that you can take away. If not, just enjoy being a fly on the wall and watching me do my thing. So here's my last step. All that muck from the meats, the veggies, the bags being in your car, etc., you've got to get that stuff off your countertop. So just make sure you clean up after. And that's pretty much it. The whole kit and caboodle. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.